Welcome back to the channel, and in this episode 11 of us ride from Brisbane to Dorrigo. I try and sleep in a single bed. I fly my drone through a tunnel and under a rail bridge, and my drone gets attacked by an angry peregrine falcon. Stay tuned for that one. Cheers. So after riding Saturday with the guys, on Sunday I decided to go solo and go home via the waterfall way, just to capture some of the waterfalls along the way. So that brought me out at Armadale. From Armadale I went up to Glen Innes and towards Stanthorpe, Warwick, and then back home to Brisbane from there. This is Bluff Rock, ridden past it dozens of times. Again, stopped, got some photos, but with the new drone it just gives you another perspective. But little did I know that one angry peregrine falcon was waiting for me up towards the top. As soon as I saw it on the screen, I knew they were prone to attacking drones, so I hit that return the home button and scooted back to the landing point. I knew this old rail tunnel was here, and today I thought, I want to fly my new drone through that tunnel, so I did. This old rail bridge I'd ridden past countless times. I'd stopped before and I've gotten photos of it, but with the new drone I thought I'd throw it up and get some really good footage. When going through Warwick, again this old church has just been something I've always liked looking at. So again, thought I'd throw up the drone and get the church from a different perspective.